go and harvest this. Okay, got one there. Oh, this one. It's been feasted on. Oh no, I think it is. It's been feasted on. Oh, this one as well. Another one over here. Access. So it's saved. Okay. Got two. Okay. Looks like I'm too late. So this is what happens when I wait too long to pick these fruits. Looks like an animal, or some animals plural, did a number on these. See, it's not a bit of flesh left on any of these fruits. So I got 1, 2, 3 fully gone. I don't think they're birds, because I don't think birds can consume these so cleanly. It's probably a possum, but I don't mind possums. I love possums. They're one of my favorite animals. So, but I am too late for the fruits that are on this side of the wall. Okay. Step is to arrange the pieces in a pleasing manner on the grazing board. If you're ever curious why we have a grazing board, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, time to enjoy the fruit of my labor.